Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on Linux on your Chromebook because that gives you the terminal and package manager. Open Settings, go to Developers, and enable Linux Beta. When prompted, pick a username and allocate disk space. I recommend 5 to 20 gigabytes for typical use. Once done, the terminal app appears in your launcher. You now have a Debian container with apt available. This is your Linux environment where you'll install tools and run commands. Next, you update the container and install essentials so tools behave predictably. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to get the latest packages. This prevents version conflicts. Then install git, build essential, curl, and wget so you can compile, fetch, and clone projects. If you need graphical Linux apps, enable GUI support and install the app with apt. Make sure to test it from the terminal. These steps prepare a reliable development or power user environment. Finally, you secure and integrate the terminal into your workflow. Generate SSH keys with SSH keygen and add them to Git or remote servers so Git operations work smoothly. Share host folders via the Files app to access downloads and projects from Linux. This keeps files in sync. If something breaks, restart the Linux VM from Settings, and as a last resort, remove and reinstall Linux Beta. That resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.